Hot swapping is a technology that allows you to replace hardware components while your computer or device is still powered on and running. Instead of shutting down your system, waiting for it to restart, you can simply remove a faulty component and insert a new one. The system continues operating smoothly during this entire process. This is particularly useful in servers and data centers where downtime can be very costly. But it also applies to everyday devices like USB drives, external hard drives, and even smartphone batteries. Not all computer components support hot swapping. Some devices are designed to work with hot swapping, while others require the system to be powered off first. Components that support hot swapping include USB devices like mice and keyboards, SATA hard drives, network cables, audio devices, and power supplies. On the other hand, components like the central processing unit, or CPU, RAM memory, older IDE hard drives, and PS2 devices require you to shut down your computer before replacing them. The key difference is whether the hardware interface is designed with hot swap capability. Hot swapping offers 4 major benefits to users and organizations. First, it provides minimal downtime because systems remain operational while components are replaced or upgraded, which is essential for businesses that need to stay online 24/7. Second, it increases reliability by allowing faulty components to be replaced without interrupting critical operations. Third, it saves costs by reducing maintenance expenses and preventing revenue loss from service disruptions. Fourth, it enables scalability, allowing you to add or upgrade components without needing to shut down the entire system, making it easier to respond to growing demands. Hot swapping is used extensively in 2 main environments. In enterprise settings, hot swapping is critical for RAID storage arrays, which are arrays of multiple hard drives, data center servers that need constant availability, network equipment, power supplies, and cooling fan systems. These enterprise systems must run continuously to serve thousands of users. In consumer devices, hot swapping is common for USB flash drives, external hard drives, keyboards and mice, memory cards, and rechargeable batteries. This makes these devices more convenient and flexible for everyday use without needing to power down your computer. While hot swapping offers significant benefits, it also has drawbacks. The main advantages are that no system shutdown is needed, maintenance time is greatly reduced, fault tolerance is improved because systems continue running, productivity increases due to reduced downtime, and system upgrades become easier. However, the disadvantages include socket wear over time from repeated insertions and removals, higher hardware costs, since hot swappable components are more expensive, potential connectivity issues that may arise, more complex hardware design requirements, and limited compatibility because components must meet specific design standards to be hot swappable. Implementing hot swapping involves 6 technical challenges that engineers must address. First is inrush current, which refers to sudden voltage spikes that occur when inserting components. These spikes can damage hardware if not properly controlled. Second is socket wear, where repeated insertion and removal causes connector degradation over time. Third is data integrity, as improper removal of drives can lead to data corruption or system crashes. Fourth is compatibility, since components must meet specific design and protocol requirements. Fifth is the need for specialized knowledge, as safe hot swap operations require expertise. Finally, there is the cost factor because hot swappable hardware components are significantly more expensive than standard components. There are 2 main strategies for implementing hot swapping in hardware systems. The first approach uses a controller-based method with a dedicated hot swap controller integrated circuit. This controller limits inrush current, monitors voltage and current levels, detects short circuits, and provides the most reliable approach for hot swapping. The second approach uses a thermistor-based method with passive resistance limiting. This temperature-dependent method is a lower-cost solution, but has a slower response time and is less reliable over the long term. Most enterprise systems use the controller-based approach because reliability is more important than cost savings. Hot swapping is applied in specific scenarios where its benefits are most valuable. In industrial systems, hot swapping allows you to replace failed hard drives without stopping operations, upgrade memory modules without downtime, swap network interfaces for maintenance, maintain 24/7 availability, which is critical for businesses, and perform zero downtime upgrades when adding new features. In consumer devices, hot swapping lets you connect USB peripherals like printers or external devices, change memory cards in cameras or phones, swap battery packs in portable devices, update external storage without shutting down, and modify keyboard switches in mechanical keyboards. Each scenario demonstrates how hot swapping improves convenience and reliability. Here are 5 essential points to remember about hot swapping. First, hot swapping enables component replacement without system shutdown, making it fundamentally different from traditional cold swapping. Second, it requires specialized hardware design and connectors that are specifically engineered for this purpose. Third, hot swapping is critical for mission-critical systems and 24/7 operations where any downtime is unacceptable. Fourth, it significantly reduces downtime and operational costs, leading to substantial savings for businesses. Finally, hot swapping represents the future standard for modular and scalable computer systems, as more devices are designed with hot swap capability to provide flexibility and reliability. Understanding these principles helps you appreciate the importance of this technology in modern computing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.